7GK19. The 7 launch, yeah, not kind of what I was expecting. I think it's a little over from Yora, but it's good he's looking after Matthew. I can see why he's doing that, but maybe a little bit over, and then not quite enough from Nadia, maybe, in comparison. So you've got your choices here. You could take out the 21 style, or like a mix kind of. You could pretty much take this a little bit like a Mika, I would say, Nadia. So with Yora could have a left hand here on you, and if you pick up this grip here, I think it would keep the angle of the 7 a little bit more consistent. So just clarify, we'd be looking actually kind of in between where Nadia and Yora are. It's a 45 degrees. Nadia's actually pretty good. 45 degrees, and just keeping everyone nice and round. I mean, the 7's fine. It's just yeah, just being pedantic as usual. So there's some okay 19s in the beginning. Don't forget, we've got to get that little translation happening for the back pair. If we don't get the translation, it becomes a longer reach to the catch. That one's fine, and that's a really nice shape at the end for the 7. Some nice B-slot stuff from Otto and Nadia. Just check out this walk on the, there we go, that's a really good one. You can see how much the piece translates and then finishes with rotation. That's good. No more than that. Nice calm 7. And it looks like there's some communication happening between Matthew and Yora towards the end of the session. Looks like there's something not happening on the 19 that Matthew and Yora eventually clear up. Certainly looks like it is coming up now. Yeah, I'm not too sure how you guys managed to clear it up, but you did. And the very last one looks good again. Like this one looks like it's just rotating in place. And then there's the chat happening now. And then it looks like a happy Matthew at the end. So let's just have a quick look at the 19s on the front, because we've got both of you guys doing it. So very nice. I like the dynamic of the piece here. Really good job, guys, getting the helmets the right way around. And then Nadia coming through. Obviously the back pair struggling a little bit, but I think you guys are doing a pretty nice job on the front, especially with the memory and with the shape for the 7 that's coming up. Good K builds as well, Nadia. Yeah, so what happens there, because it doesn't translate as much as it should, is instead of the piece being over here at the end, you guys on the front have to come a little bit more to get the catch, and that's why you're ending up with that very uncomfortable picture, Nadia, and dealing with it rather well at the end. So let's just see this through. That's the other one that doesn't work. Okay, so now let's just look at the whole picture. Translation, and then it's a much more comfortable shape for Nadia as well when the back pair comes to meet you guys slightly. Nice.